Quick response, or QR codes, were developed in the mid-1990s to aid in manufacturing by providing easy tracking of vehicles and parts. In today's ever-growing technological economy, QR codes are utilized in a variety of ways such as product distribution, marketing, information sharing, and retail applications. In this project, I will demonstrate a rudimentary application of QR codes in a retail setting, such as a supermarket or other generic store. This application will be run on the Raspberry Pi plus camera module, along with a few basic imported libraries. In addition, I will be utilizing the VNC Viewer application on my laptop to display the camera's feed and to view the data readout in the terminal window. This terminal readout will show the code's ability to sense the QR code, decode its information, and use that information in the application. The idea behind the upcoming demonstration is a situation in which a user would enter in their account number information and then scan a QR code, which would be created after the user compiled a shopping list of products they were purchasing. This generated QR code would then deduct the corresponding total from that user's account balance and display the remaining balance to the screen. In general, the code written to perform these actions first imports the necessary libraries and begins running the command to sense for a QR code using the Raspberry Pi's camera. In my application, I have also pre-declared a theoretical account balance of $100. The code then enters an infinite while loop in which it checks for a code in the camera's window and then enters an if statement if one is detected. Once the if statement is entered, the code prints to the terminal window the cost detected and then the remaining balance in the user's account. It is important to note that the QR code data is decoded as a string, and so in order to perform the account balance subtraction, it is necessary to cast that value as an integer. The code then waits for a key press, such as enter or return, and then continues to monitor for another QR code. If the user at any time presses the Q key, the code will break out of the loop and terminate. In order to obtain example QR codes for this demonstration, I used the QR code generator in order to generate 3 codes corresponding to $15, $10, and $5 total cost values. I then ran the Python code in the VNC window and tested each code individually, beginning with the account balance of $100. With each QR scan, it can be seen that the camera window pauses at the detected code while the terminal window displays the cost and account balance information. Once the key press is detected, the code continues to wait for the next detected code. It is worth noting that due to the Raspberry Pi's capabilities, the camera data processing can be fairly slow. In a real-world application of this sort, the detection capabilities would be extremely quick and provide the user with a fast and efficient means of checking out at whatever store they may be shopping at.